Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Dilated. Guys, in the last video I have discussed what is Trell shop and how we will get free products from Trell shop, what are the discounts which is ongoing on Trell shop, and what are the coupon codes you need to apply, and how we will get free products and how we will get beauty box as free. But in the last video I have not discussed what's inside the beauty box. In this video I gonna discuss what's inside the beauty box. Guys, if you are interested in this video, please do watch till end of my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you haven't watched my before video, it will be on my I button, you can go and check it out once. And guys, here is my beauty box. And friends, you will get this beauty box for free if you shop more than 2500 rupees. You'll get 2000 worth beauty box for free. Now let me show what's inside this beauty box. It is covered with another cardboard cover. Within it, it has this blackboard cardboard cover, and it is attractively designed and well packed also. Let me open this. And here are my products. If you open this, you'll get a thank you message. Thank you will never be enough from Trell shop. And here are all my products. Let me show one by one. The first one is from Mirabella Carrot Fairness Facial Mask. And here is the product. And next one is also a sheet mask, which is of Avocado Fairness Facial Mask of Mirabella of 25 ml. And here is the sheet mask. And third one is also sheet mask. It's from Mirabella Honey Fairness Facial Mask of 25 ml. And here is the sheet mask. And guys, next one is from Sirona Intimate Wipes. And here is my product. And next one is also from Sirona Multi-Use Wipes, fit for hands, face and surfaces. And next one is from Wow Onion Black Seed Air Oil. No mineral oil, silicones or synthetic fragrance. It's from Wow. And next one is from Volumina Onion and Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. Antioxidant growth stimulating. And this one can be used by both men and women, unisex, all hair types. This is from Volumina. Let me go towards my next product. Next one is from Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. And here is my product. And guys, next one is also from Plum Chamomile and White Tea Face Mask. And you can see here it's from Plum. And guys, next one is from Blue Heaven Lipstick Lip Mouse Ultra Matte. And here is my product. It's from Blue Heaven. Let me go towards next one. Friends, next one is from Milano Matte Pencil Kajal. And here is my kajal. It's a kajal pencil.
but we'll see it through.
Done. Guys, all these products are worth of 2000 rupees, and if you buy, as I said you before, if you buy or purchase more than 2500 rupees, you will get 2000 worth beauty box for free. And the items inside this beauty box might be vary, so we can't assure that we'll get a same product. It might be differ for different people. Guys, I would like to share Trell shop big birthday sale is still live and it will be extended till the month end also. So guys, please do hurry up and don't miss this huge offer. Like if you buy more than 500 rupees or 500 rupees, you will get 190 plus for free, and if you buy 1000 rupees product, you will get 400 plus product for free. If you buy 1500 rupees product, you will get 800 plus product for free, and if you buy more than 2500 rupees product, you will get free beauty box for free. Since I am Trell beauty creator, I do have my own coupon code. You can use this coupon code HAIRSTYLE for instant discount up to 30% off. Then what are you waiting for? Hurry up, make a list, add to the cart, and you can buy it now itself. And if you have any queries related Trell or Trell shop or anything else, you can comment me on my comment box. I'm super fast in replying all of your comments. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you so much.